guys, so we're just gonna get right into doing our makeup. I went to Sephora and got Rare Beauty's Liquid Touch Lightweight Foundation in the shade 210 Nude. I'm really excited to use this. I actually got matched while I was at Sephora, so that was really exciting. That's what it looks like right there. So supposedly this is a perfect match for me in this brand. And then I also got the Rare Beauty Liquid Touch Corrector in the shade 230 Nude. So that looks like. So we're gonna go right into foundation. I already primed my face, so let's see what this looks like. Ooh. Okay, it comes out like that. Kind of messy on the stick, but when I've seen Selena Gomez do, this is her brand, when she does her makeup, she like puts dots on her face. So I'm gonna do the same thing. She always says less is more, so I'm just gonna do dots all over and then Alright, I have that all blended out, and I just did that with my fingertips. I'm going to go in with the concealer. Alright, I'm going to blend that out with my finger as well. I'm going to put a little bit of my Laura Mercier setting powder under the eyes to help with creases. A little bit on the forehead. Just patting that into my skin. In the T-zone as well. So now, going in with my Physicians Formula Organics, the Sculpting Bronzer. I've really been enjoying this. Just going to take that down the cheekbones. This is really thick stuff, so you only need a little bit. And I've been putting that a little bit on my forehead, where I want to have definition. Okay, now I'm going to take my finger actually and blend that out. Taking my Beauty Blender sponge and just going to blend that out a little bit more. This is just a dry sponge that I'm using. I normally wet my sponge, but I've been enjoying just using it dry with this product. Alright, we've added some warmth back into the face, and now I'm going to use my blush, my creamy sheer blush and lip color tints from Milk. It's my first time using this, so I'm excited to try it out. And I'm just gonna of the nose and on the tip of the nose, and then right above that blush, a little bit on the center of the forehead and on the chin. So I'll just take my sponge and blend that out. That is really beautiful. natural looking and glowy. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows off camera and I'll be right back. Alright, done with my brows, and today I feel like doing something kind of light and summery on the eyes. Not too intense, so I'm just gonna take my fluffy brush here in this light color right there. And I'm gonna put this shade all over the eyelid as kind of a base. Kind of up into the crease as well. Just working that all over the lid. Even a little bit up to the eyebrow, just really. That's gonna help the rest of my eyeshadow that I put on to really blend in well. Just gonna bring a little bit of that under the eye. I'm trying to do this fast because I don't have a lot of time today. All right, let's see. I'm gonna take this middle shade right here with this brush. Kind of put that on the main part of the lid down here. I'm going to add this dark shade on the side to the lower lash line. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and add mascara. And now I'm just gonna go in with this highlighter here from Organics Physician Formula. And I'm just gonna pop that in on the inner corner of my eye. Touch up the tip of the nose. And let's see. I feel like I need a little something on the brow bone, a little highlighter. So I'm gonna take this lighter shimmer color right there. Just put that on the brow bone. Ooh, I forgot. The blush says that it can be a lip tint too, so I'm gonna pop that on my lips and see what that looks like. I like how that looks. That's pretty. The other day when I was shopping, I also picked up from Soli Notes, Soli Notes Vanilla. This fragrance, it smells so good. It smells like vanilla and kind of like cotton candy, and those are like my two favorite scents. Well guys, this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this short makeup tutorial. I mainly just wanted to try out my new foundation and concealer. I did end up adding a little bit more of that liquid sheer blush, and I added some of the tint to my lips. It's definitely something you can build up, but I like it, and I think Milk is a pretty clean brand. So anyway, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like, subscribe to my channel so you can see my future videos, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!